Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, fish tacos with a corn and cabbage slaw. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The mise en place for the slaw. All the goodies for the dressing waiting to be mixed. The dressing and the veggies ready to be put together. And here's the finished slaw. Here's the spices for the tilapia. Here's the evening mise en place in order of appearance. Here's the mise en place for the tilapia. Here's the marinade and the tilapia waiting to go together. And here's the tilapia being marinated for about 15 minutes. Heating up some oil in a fry pan. First side for the tilapia. Flip now on the second side. Here's the finished tilapia. The first layer for the street tacos. Now I add the slaw. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.